Hello, everybody, and welcome to Creative Constructs, where every piece tells a story. Today, we're going to be putting together a working recreation of Leonardo da Vinci's 15th century catapult. It is made by Pathfinders Design Technologies. So let's lock in and bring this build to life.
Three, two, one.
Okay, let's go ahead and get this model unboxed so that way we can start on our project. Okay, here we have our parts. To assemble these items, we will need some glue, a ruler. Alright, today what we're going to be using is Elmer's Carpenter Wood Glue. And with any glue project, we will need some paper towels, of course. Okay, let's set these instructions up here, so then that way we can open our bag. Oh, it even comes with its own glue. Let's just go ahead and dry fit those in first. Oh, that looks good. Okay, well, let's go ahead and glue these pieces in. And we will take these 2.5 centimeter It's looking good so far. Well, the next step of assembling the drum is just putting another 4 centimeter dowel. All right. Well, I think we have completed the drum. And I will set that aside for now. Next, we'll be assembling the base. We'll be needing 6 of these 4cm dowels. And we will place them there is a note in here that these bottom ones will be facing like so. And let's clean up a little bit of excess glue. Now next, what we're going to do is, go around the next part, is we're going to insert a screw eye into here. Now I've already measured the location. And so now, let's just get it started and screw it in. All right, as we go to step 4 of completing the base, we're going to need our drum again, like so, and then we are going to need, appears to be 2 braces on either side. And we're going to fix them, because there are holes in the bottom, to these dowels here. Oh, and it's a good dry fit. Okay, and on to step 5 of completing the base. Appears that we're going to take these pieces here and then place them like so. And then we will take these 7cm pieces and then push them through. I'm just giving it a slight little twist through, so that way they go through it. And it's actually going through really smooth. Then we're going to go ahead and take some more of these 4cm pieces, and then we're going to drive them through also. And twisting as I do. This one here seems to be a little There we go. But once again, we need to glue some glue on these pieces too. And then we will repeat on the other side. Step 6 calls for another 4-centimeter dowel. And this time we're going to glue the dowel in place. I will add just a dab. And the next step shows putting the other screw eye in about 3.5 centimeters, which I have measured out already. Let's see, let me get. Now, so we have our screw eye in. We're going to take our string and we are going to attempt to do this knot. Okay, and that appears to be all of step 6. Okay, on to step 7. Add the release arm. Once again, we are going to try to dry fit this. Actually, we're just going to stick it in there. There we go. Oh, I had some. All right. So you can kind of see how it's coming together. Then we're going to take this piece and add it onto the end. It appears to be, though, that we're going to just glue the ends. So I'm going to be very careful as not to mess with the hole itself, and because we don't want to get the dowel or the hole glued, as it needs to still move. Then we're going to take our string and slide it back through the other screw eye. And it should work like so. We'll be going to step 8 now. Next, we're going to take the 2.5 centimeter dowel and then put it into this next piece. And we want to make sure that the angle, according to the directions, is facing away. Okay, and next we're going to take our foam pad and we will glue it to the top. Let that dry a little bit as I clean up Now, I'm going to set this aside for just a moment as we prepare the swing arm. Let's dry fit this swing arm. Swing arm in. Now, according to the instructions, it says that the spoon should be facing down. So we are going to twist it around a bit so that when we get it all around. And let's make sure our swing arm is good. I want to make sure that's kind of level, facing down. That way when we get ready to utilize it, it won't go wonky. We clean up the excess glue there. So we're going to take our strings next, and we're going to make a small loop in the end of both strings that we have left. To save time, I've went ahead and already placed the loops in both sets. Now, I'm going to go to 11. Place the loops over the drum and sticks. It says make sure that both strings are on the same side. So I'm going to loop around and attach strings. Another loop so that way we can take out some of the slack that's already in there. And so now it's time to test our model. And we should be able to pull the string and we'll let the ratchet go.
Hi everybody, and thank you for joining me as we built this working recreation of Leonardo da Vinci's 15th century catapult. I will be sure to antagonize my wife with it. Thank you again. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up,